it's really been the reason that our business took off. To be able to give out thousands of pieces of literature a year with our name on it, people literally will call us back. They said, we have your literature from 5 years ago, from 10 years ago. We've done all 3 shows for years and years and years. It's indispensable. Some shows are better than others, but it's all indispensable. It's critical. We don't really do any advertising. This is the only money we spend toward marketing. It's always been that way. And I think it's probably the reason we built our business built to the point where it is now. They've been great to deal with. It's an amazing organization. And they care. They really care about my growth, my organization, and me personally. The booth costs, not a lot, and we might get, 10 times return on investment.
We always ask them, well, how'd you hear about MVS? And they always laugh and say, well, we've seen you at the show for years. And it's true. It really is. We've been here for so long. We started, I think the first show was in 1996. We had a little 10 by 10 booth with a little kiosk of just a few door styles. We almost got 300 leads. And that we were just like, you've got to be kidding me. Things have changed a little bit in the economy since then, but we still get a lot of leads. I used to track it, like how much volume we get each year from one of these shows. We average, close to $600,000 worth of business from each show. We do it twice a year. Last year we did it 3 times. That's invaluable. It's just a great opportunity.
We've been coming to marketplace events it's been over 10 years, and we love it. We don't miss a show. We get 3 a year. I wish there were 4, but there's only 3. So we meet clients here. They come in and out. Sometimes we'll leave with 40 leads. Sometimes it's 100 leads. Other times it's 20. But what we always get are good quality projects out of this home show.
If you're not doing home shows at all, you're missing the boat. There's a lot of great opportunities to market yourself and get a good return on investment, certainly, but home shows, people are here. The homeowners are here shopping for products that may not even be yours, but they own a home. So you're talking to a high percentage of homeowners, quality homeowners, and they may not be looking for you today, but you're out in front of them for a future project down the